Hello everyone, this is Hossein and in this playlist I'm sharing my experiences in working with Midjourney. The focus of this video is chaos parameter and I will explain all you need from this parameter when working with this AI-based platform. In the context of Midjourney, chaos refers to a parameter that influences the randomness and unpredictability of the generated images. When you adjust the chaos level, you can increase or decrease the degree of variation in the output, which affects how closely the generated images adhere to your original prompt. The chaos always is between 0 and 100. The 0 parameter refers to a condition in which no chaos is applied by the platform to your generated images, and 100 refers to the maximum possible value for the chaos, which will apply maximum randomness and unpredictability to your image. The abbreviation that you can use in your prompt is /chaos space and an X, which X refers to a number between 0 and 100. As I told, the lowest possible is 0 and the highest possible is 100, and the default parameter is 0. So if you are reluctant to apply any kind of chaos in your image, the selected value must be 0, and if you want to apply the maximum value, you have to choose 100. Okay, well, as an example, I have already written a prompt with this condition: create a cozy living room with a modern design featuring a large bookshelf, a plush sofa, and a large windows letting in natural light, add vibrant plants and a warm color palette. And the prompt is ending with the chaos parameter. In this example, this is 10. Okay, well, let's take a look at the results. I have entered the same prompt for these creations. For this row, for this creation, I have chosen the chaos 10 value for the chaos parameter. For this one, I have used the 90, and for this one, I have applied no chaos or chaos as 0, which refers to the lowest possible chaos parameter that I could apply. By comparing the images we have gotten from Midjourney and the text of our prompt and its details, we will well find out that when you use chaos as 0 or no chaos applied to your generation, the images you can get from Midjourney is so similar to what you have written as the prompt, and no details actually is applied by the Midjourney itself. In the second creation, which has been created by chaos level of 19, you see that the details of the images gotten from Midjourney platform is pretty different from what we have written as the prompt. For instance, in the prompt text, we have already a living room with a modern design featuring a large bookshelf, but in 4 generations, you can hardly find any bookshelf with modern design. In 3 of them, almost no bookshelf is available, and in one of them, which is here, the style of bookshelf is not modern at all, and it's so different from the prompt we have already written. By comparing them, we can conclude that a lot of randomness, a lot of creativity and innovation has been applied by Midjourney to the images, and they are so different from what we needed at the beginning. In the third creation, you see here the chaos had been 10, and the chaos 10 is a low level for the chaos parameter. So you can once again see that the details of the images are actually so similar to the prompt we have entered as a text to the Midjourney. In conclusion, we have to memorize that chaos is always between 0 and 100. 0 as the lowest possible chaos parameter and 100 as the highest one. If you don't enter anything as the chaos parameter, the Midjourney will assume that you need no chaos, and chaos will be applied as 0. Okay, well, that's a wrap. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and share this video with someone who might find it helpful as well. Thank you so much, and bye bye.